RPM Tesla's interior ambient lighting upgrade package. This is blue, beautiful blue. We've got all of the pockets in the doors upgraded with our translucent film. We've got the two LEDs under the front footwells. We've got the pockets in the back seat. Another thing is, once you put the car in park, everything gets a little brighter. The ambient light increases. So watch this. This is very interesting in our Model 3s. So that's in drive. Now I'm in park. So the ambient light gets brighter. The doors get brighter. Everything gets brighter. If we turn off the dome light, now we only see the lighting, and the lighting over here. So this is a little better example of the blue lighting. This is, of course, our blue lighting kit, and this is the white light. So this is with it standard, and this is the cool blue light. Really nice on the door pockets. It's not super bright blue, it's just a cool night blue. Again, we're gonna have red and purple. We're gonna shoot more videos of that to show everybody exactly what they're gonna be getting if they order this upgrade kit. And again, when you open the door, it stays the same brightness. You can see the Model 3 puddle lights here, and of course the cool blue pockets. Thanks again. Okay, with your order, you're going to get a box like this in either blue or red. And of course, inside will be two LEDs that go under the footwell lights, along with the 4 color matching slides with the translucent film that will have double-sided adhesive tape, which will stick right underneath the armrest, lighting up the cubby pocket in the doors. Thank you, RPM Tesla.